Hi guys, this will be my second video, and this will be a very new type of video. It's like the POV of all my friends getting ready. We'll be going out to celebrate the coming of the new year, which I am excited for.
This is not the end. They will come a day. We will find a way. Violins playing and the angels crying. When the stars are aligning, I'll be there. No one will care about the moon, 'cause all is still below. And all I care about is you. It's stuck on me like a tattoo.
Hi guys, I'm Chanel. Come with us to go out on New Year's Eve night.
Okay guys, I was told to make a POV of me getting ready. So this is me. I'm gonna take a shower and I'm listening to music because we're going on the road. So
I have literally an hour to get ready, so I will try my best to vlog. But me happy vlog, I'm gonna tell them so them to vlog, so me happy vlog. So I'm gonna shower now and then try to do my lashes because I don't do it, and then try to do my hair, and then I'll come back when I'm putting on the lotion, smell good stuff, and my clothes. But this video should be fun. I cannot wait. It's coming up the new year, but I'm really not feeling the new year vibes right now. But hopefully once we're out or once we get ready, I'm looking at where I'm gonna say, hey, it's a new year. But yeah, I'm gonna shower now and then come back.
Mousse, my little conditioner and water spray, and I'm going to do my edges and oil my hair. So let's first take down these curls as much as needed, inside and out. Run a hand through the hair so make sure that there are no knots. And to apply our mousse here, we're going to do the same thing to this side. I'll be back.
the hair is properly done now. So we're going to find the clothes. I don't know why I keep doing this to myself. So for today's shower routine, I'm gonna be using Panoxol to wash my face because I have a few pimples I'm trying to get rid of. And then I will use CeraVe. This is really good, but it's not as fast as Panoxol. And then I'm using the EOS Vanilla Cashmere Body Wash to shower. And then I'll be using this Shea Butter Body Scrub.
Okay guys, makeup done, lashes done. If we get ready now, but it's already 10:30 and we're basically late. I'm gonna washing up and then come back.
So this is the fit. We have a boyfriend jeans, a nice little slippers, matching bag, my glasses and my keys, and then I have my Apple Watch over here charging, of course. Lip liner, to try it. Make a bit. Okay. So these are the lips, guys. I'm going to add Vaseline to it, not lipstick tonight, just Vaseline. So I'll just do it like this and put it on the middle of my lip. Raise it.
It's still open. I know it's getting colder, but it's not. Come pick up your clothes. I have them folded. Okay, I'm gonna do my lashes now. Yeah, I'm looking like a ball of puss.
What we'll be wearing, it's like a pantsuit. My friends will be wearing red, but I don't have any red top, so I have to wear this pantsuit. Why? It's so cute. Hopefully it's okay now. I don't even know what exactly to wear. What can I do with guys? I didn't know exactly what to wear to a New Year's thing, but I have this one. But I don't know if I should wear this this butterfly one. Let me see. I love jewelry, no? Jewelry or no jewelry, guys. I'm gonna tell you one talk wrong because we're late. I like jewelry. I'm gonna do no jewelry. It's all on. Look at what's on the face, bro. Oh God. See? Yeah, when you nearly drop. They drop me, no say what I broke. You fooling on me on the way to spray stuff. And this one. This one didn't come back from the glass already. Let's take off this headband. What kind of bag? Bro.
Okay guys, so this is the final fit. I'm not sure if you guys can see all the way, but I have on a red top, my hair, have on a nice like a butterfly chain, butterfly earrings, my glasses, my Apple Watch always, nice little bag, and my shoes match the bag. So this is the finished product.
So you just sick me so the man I get impatient. This actually going out. Why would you be earned to pick up girls? Oh my god, I again. You should be earned to pick up it. I come like 30 minutes late. Glasses or no glasses? I feel like the glasses is cute. I need to keep the hair out of my face. Okay. Oh shit, I'm gonna call again. Okay, bye. Guys, I'm ready. I can't find my key. Where put the key now? At one point, I couldn't even find my key. I couldn't find the key. I couldn't find no, everything in my room is a mess. Guys are in the car.
When I realized I was like One star. Hi guys, so I didn't get to finish vlogging because water went away and I was not going to leave the house if I didn't too much heavy.
What's your punani?
I'm sure. So
This is Shani, guys.
hi guys, I was actually ready on time. I was actually
Always ready on time, guys. There's a Santa Claus here, guys. Gonna sit on his lap. There's Santa. 15 minutes till a new year, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
New year, new me.
So we have 41 minutes to go.
Be funny.
I'm cutting off face friends in 2026.
People, it's the joy, it's a moment of happiness as we count down to what we call a new year. Big up to everybody here tonight. I bless and wish for you happiness, more success, greater joy as we count 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! with a heart of gratitude, with a heart.
I forgot that this is a onesie, so I have to pick up everything, the baby.
Okay, take that. It's good.
decided to go to Ultimate. They want that. They want that because this is just not enough for them.
I'm speaking French. I'm speaking French.
I know I'm French enough.
Bonjour, oui, oui.
C'est la vie, bro. C'est la vie. It's the hot meat.
Feel the pain.
It's fine.
Feel the pain of your ancestors.
It's okay.
Then they used to what? Barefoot.
Right.
This is nothing. And they
It's
wish
nothing compared to what our
and they wish she
ancestors
had
went through.
heels. Yeah, I think I'm sister.
You got this. The whole of the street full of cars. And you know, say man, they don't have no nightlife. Them people are careless, bro. And careless just like we. No, it's a for you know. Let's go see how we play stay. Look out there. This is crazy. Isn't it crazy, Serena?
It's so freaking crazy.
Yeah.
It's really so unbelievable. You have to see it to believe it, literally.
Oh my days. Miles upon miles, bro. Man, living on the nightlife?
It's like Rajawell, 100 miles.
100 miles of cars.
You know? What are you doing?
Ultimate dining this word is tonight. Guys, we're at Ultimate now. We're gonna try go in. You know what is here too, guys. 15 on the
They're always.
You get bonus fee weekend, you can do back if you get tickets. You get bonus. Feel like time to get bonus. We're trying to work all night and to get bonus. We'll be on bike when I ride, bro.
Alright, let's go. Next year. Next
Almost every worker in Jamaica that I asked to get bonus when they were overtime, they said no. I don't know what kind of style that. Listen, guys, it's a total different scene from Gulfview Hotel. Paco. Try escape, but back in video. Awesome. The beer that is on them play, like, we just come from a nice party.
We are proper young ladies. We do not listen to this garbage. We do not consume
This is just garbage, guys.
Okay? We're proper young ladies.
Can't listen to this. But we here and it's gonna be a vibe. End of the night, guys, and we're going
Time out. Free.
end of the night and good night for you guys.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year, guys. I hope this year is filled with wonderful blessings and all the best things to come. We're leaving maybe 2025. Yeah. Work on leveling up yourself, getting that degree, getting your business, getting that money right. Men should be option and not a necessity.